Open yours.
Open yours.
Open yours.
Oh,
You have to open yours first. Mine's clear. I can see everything. Don't read the card yet.
Okay.
Wow. That's all you got.
You did. Oh my gosh. Oh, you had me going on that. So that. Oh. Nice. You are throwing me off so much.
Yeah, they're gone yesterday.
You finally have blue on now, right? They're white, isn't it?
No, his is blue.
The other one is what I wear for playing. This one's to be more. I mean,
Too big. That's not like. Yeah, it is.
You're supposed to wear pink again.
yeah.
Yeah, the white contact, right?
Yeah.